Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert picture in round shape in Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document, then go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then create a round shape. Then we go to the format menu and click shape fill option. Then choose picture option. Then insert a picture from our file. Then click a picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert picture in round shapes. We resize the picture. Go to the format menu, click crop option and choose crop. Then resize the picture. Now we can see here we insert picture in round shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.